Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Daria Joy, and in today's video we're doing something a little bit different. We're unboxing a bag together. This bag is from Babalabags.co. They were so nice enough to reach out to me for me to do an unboxing of a bag of my choosing. I chose a dupe for the LV Murakami Alma BB bag. That is what's supposed to be in this box. Something that looks almost identical to the real one. And we're gonna unbox it together. Before getting into the bag, I just wanna let y'all know that I will have all the information to my bag. We'll also have a discount code and a link to the website in the description box. So if you're interested in seeing the large array of bags that Babalabags.co has, feel free to check out my description box. Another great thing about Babalabags.co is that they have so many different options for you to pay. So if you wanted to use Google Pay, Apple Pay, bank transfer, any of the above, you have that option to do so. And if you have any issues during the ordering process, you can reach out to them on WhatsApp. So convenient. Now, let's get into the bag. So actually, before getting into the bag, let's start with the box. So the box, as you can see, says Louis Vuitton across the front, and we're gonna open it. It's magnetic. And then when we open it, we have the Louis Vuitton wrapper paper around the bag. So now we're gonna put the box aside. And now I'm holding the bag. And it looks like our bag is also inside of a dust bag. So I'm gonna slide the paper off ever so gently. Ooh, we also have an envelope. So let's look at the envelope first. And I dropped the card, 1 second. Okay, so we have this envelope and we have this card that did fall out, but it's a Louis Vuitton card. Don't want to blind y'all with my camera, but it's a Louis Vuitton card. And then inside of the envelope, we have a piece of paper that says Louis Vuitton at the top. It's giving very much official. But yes, that's what's in this little envelope here. Now getting into the purse. So we have the Louis Vuitton dust bag. We also have some ribbon that says Louis Vuitton all down the side. It's navy blue and it's in like this brown/gold kind of lettering. And then the Louis Vuitton dust bag is your typical beige canvas-like dust bag with Louis Vuitton written across the front in blue. So the moment, and it continues. So the bag is we still don't know what the bag looks like. The bag is very much packaged nice and safely. And I do have my scissors here just in case I need a little bit of help, but I'm gonna pull off the tape and take the bag out of the plastic, okay? And now, the fact that they packaged this bag so nice and tight and neatly, like there is no way that UPS could have damaged my bag. Let's start there. Oh my God, it's so cute. I appreciate how much they wrapped all of the detailing so that it wouldn't get messed up in transit. But this is my bag. I still have the plastic on the, what do you call these? The handles. But yes, this is the bag up close. And when I look at the bag, you see Louis Vuitton is engraved in every single one of the gold pearls that goes along the side. We also have the LV in the bag handles. Trying to make it as visual for y'all as possible. Can y'all see? And you can also lock your bag. So through the loops, if you want your bag locked, that's on you. Let's open her up. Okay, so we have some plastic. Oh, we have more goodies inside. We have more goodies inside, but this is the inside of the bag. Take the little jellies out. This is the inside of the bag, and as you can see, you have a place to put like your cards in there. And then we have a couple of extra goodies that were inside the bag. So when we open up the plastic, let's start off with a little booklet. So we have a booklet in here that says Louis Vuitton. It matches the box, and it just kind of talks about the lining of the bag. So just some nice little informational stuff in here. Is this the lock? Is this potentially the lock? It is the lock. The lock and key. I just appreciate, like I said, how much they focused on ensuring everything was wrapped so nothing would be messed up during transit. So this is the lock we have, and then this is the key. The gold is so pretty. And then we have this chain that you can add to the bag. So imagining it'll be here. And we also have another strap that is very much wrapped up. So if you want your bag to be crossbody style, then you have that option to do so as well. Instead of it solely being a handbag, y'all, it's so wrapped up. But basically, you would take one end here, and the other end would go here, and then you would have a long strap. So overall, I think this bag is so cute, and I cannot wait to wear her out, okay? This bag is very high quality. I want to thank Babalabags.co for gifting me with this. I think it's so cute, and I really encourage you all to test her out. Like, it's so cute. So once again, check my description box if you're interested in purchasing this bag or any bag on the website. I'll also be sure to have my discount code in the description. And yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.